Welcome to the best picks. The best watch band pin tool is probably one of the most essential tools for watch enthusiasts and anyone who frequently changes their watch straps, enabling effortless strap swaps without the frustration of bent pins or scratched watch cases. This handy device makes quick work of removing and installing spring bars, the small pins that hold your watch band in place, allowing you to easily switch between different straps to match your style or occasion. We'll explore its features, functionality, and why it's a must-have for any watch owner. Number 5. EFIXTK Watch Repair Kit. This comprehensive kit has everything you need for quick and easy watch band adjustments. It's perfect for watch enthusiasts and professionals alike. You'll receive a precision link remover with 6 extra tips, a handy watch holder, a dual head hammer, pin punches, cotter pins, and a cleaning cloth. Everything is neatly organized for easy access. Sizing your watch band is now a breeze. It's small, simple to use, and effectively removes links without any fuss. It fits bands up to 30 mm wide, and the replaceable pins and adjustable base accommodate various band thicknesses. It's truly a versatile tool. This kit is a great value, saving you money on professional repairs. You can easily remove and insert spring bars, making watch maintenance simple and convenient. With this kit, you have everything you need to repair and maintain your watch. It's a must-have for any watch owner. What we like. This kit comes with everything you need for watch band repair. It's incredibly user-friendly, even for beginners. If you're looking for a comprehensive and affordable solution, this is the one for you. What people say. This kit has everything. Replacement pieces for the wear items. This kit had everything I needed to remove and replace watch links easily. The link remover tool worked well, and the extra tips were useful in case one got worn out. The small hammer made it easier to tap out stubborn pins without damaging the band. The spring bar tool was strong and made switching bands quick and simple. Viene con todo lo necesario para ajustar los brazaletes y cambiar correas o extensibles. Muy práctico y fácil de usar, removi eslabones del brazalete un orient sin mayor complication. Number 4. JOREST Watch Repair Kit. This kit makes watch repairs easy. It has everything you need to adjust or replace watch bands at home. Unlike other kits, it includes a leather strap punch for precise adjustments and improved tools for easier use and durability. Use the metal remover for direct pin removal, or the bracket and hammer for easier pin insertion. Both methods are included for your convenience. Ensure the punch is aligned correctly with the strap's arrow and the pin hole. Misalignment can bend the punch or damage your watch. It's sturdy, portable, and simple to operate, saving you money on professional repairs. Perfect for beginners or as a gift. This kit comes with a user manual with clear instructions and pictures to guide you through each step, ensuring safe and effective use. What we like. This kit boasts a unique leather strap punch and improved ergonomics for comfortable use. The included manual makes it easy to learn the proper techniques. If you appreciate thoughtful design and detailed instructions, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The JOREST Watch Link Removal Toolkit is really nice, especially for the price. It comes with everything you need to resize watch bands, including the spring bars and pins. The tool feels sturdy and works great for adjusting my watch bracelet. The included user manual is helpful, and the kit is very easy to use. Works fantastic. Does exactly what it says. Ordered a new watch and the band was too big. This kit helped me remove 2 links with no problem. Now it fits perfect. The product comes with adjustment tools for metal and leather watch bands. Everything in the picture comes in a sleek box for easy storage, besides the watch and its bands. The tools I have outside of the box should be enough for the adjustment of most metal watch bands. It comes with a set of easy-to-understand instructions that include pictures. Although it is constructed of plastic, it is well built and will most likely last long. The time it took me to adjust my watch band is similar to what it would take a watch store and was incredibly simple to do. Number 3. MMOBIEL Watch Repair Kit. This comprehensive kit contains everything you need for quick and easy watch repairs. It's perfect for watchmakers and DIY enthusiasts alike. Easily remove and replace watch band links with the included pin remover tool. Say goodbye to frustrating adjustments. This kit makes adjusting your watch band a simple process. No more struggling with tiny pins. The tools are made from durable steel, ensuring long-lasting performance and precision. It's built to last. This kit comes with extra pins and a spring pusher for added convenience. You'll be prepared for any repair. Whether you're a professional watchmaker or a DIY enthusiast, this kit is a valuable addition to your toolkit. Get the job done right. What we like. This kit is made for professionals and serious DIY enthusiasts. Its steel punch ensures durability and precision. If you need a robust and reliable tool for frequent use, this is the kit for you. What people say. The instructions were simple to follow and it took about all of 5 minutes to adjust the watch to the correct size. This tool is the slickest thing ever. I had the job done in 1 to 2 minutes. The tools are straightforward to use, even for someone without much experience, and the steel spring pushers made the process smooth and efficient. Number 2. HNS Alliance Watch Repair Kit. This comprehensive kit has everything you need for watch repairs. It's perfect for adjusting watch bands and more. Easily remove and add links to your watch band with the included tools. Say goodbye to ill-fitting watch straps. This kit includes a specialized tool for safely removing watch backs and pins. It's designed for precision and ease of use. Open watch cases with confidence using the included case opener. It's a must-have for any watch repair enthusiast. Adjust your watch band to the perfect size with this kit. It's simple and straightforward to use. This kit provides all the essential tools for various watch repairs. Everything you need is conveniently packaged together. What we like. This kit offers a comprehensive solution for all your watch repair needs, including case opening and back removal. It's perfect for a wide range of watch types and sizes. If you need a versatile kit for various watch repair tasks, this is the one to choose. What people say. This is a essential for any watch lover. Great tool kit for repairing watches. My son-in-law has found several ways he can use it. It's got a nice case to store the tools in and had every tool you will ever need to open a watch up and tinker with watches. Number 1. EasyTime Watch Repair Kit. This comprehensive kit makes watch repairs a breeze, whether you're a seasoned professional or a DIY enthusiast. Everything you need is included for a smooth and easy experience. It comes with everything you need: a watch link remover, spring bar tool, hammer, band holder, plus 108 spring bars and more. You'll be ready to tackle any watch repair project. The sturdy steel watch link remover is designed for easy use and compatibility with various watch bands and cases. Say goodbye to frustrating attempts at resizing your watch band. It doesn't matter if your watch strap is metal, leather, or rubber, this versatile kit handles them all. You'll have the right tools for any watch band material. Extra pins and a handy storage bag keep everything organized and easily accessible. It's compact and convenient for storage and transport. This kit makes a thoughtful gift for friends and family who enjoy DIY projects or watch repair. It's a practical and useful present for any occasion. What we like. This kit includes an impressive 108 spring bars and a complete set of tools. It's ideal for DIY enthusiasts who want to tackle multiple projects. If you're looking for a kit with plenty of extras and comprehensive instructions, this is the best option. What people say. All metal construction. Easy to use. Has extra pins. Because of the different slots on the block, makes the functionality of this item great. The kit comes with everything you need for hassle-free watch band adjustments. The inclusion of multiple pin sizes and a sturdy removal tool ensures compatibility with various watch bands and cases. The build quality of the tools is impressive. The removal tool itself is robust and ergonomically designed for a comfortable grip, making the process of adjusting links a breeze. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.